like this. I wish I was in Florida, coming back from a news story in the middle of nowhere. In the countryside, as you can see, the roads are barely plowed. Nice scenery though. But all in all, I wish I was at a poolside in sunny Florida, or playing golf with my brothers. These are the worst roads that I've ever seen. They wind all around, back and forth. Was watching a car come about. It was a truck, came really close to me. And not loving it. Don't want to be here. And as you can see, bus coming down. Close road, gotta move way over. And thank you for squirting me. And these guys drive like there's no tomorrow. I'm doing 35 and these people are going a lot faster. I don't know why. As you can see, nice scenery, but other than that, curvy roads. Look at that, 30 miles an hour, curved roads. And New York, gotta love it. Nice scenery in the wintertime. But don't want to live here in this particular area. Not so nice road-wise. Summertime, great. Wintertime, it sucks. You know, like in a Beatles song, the long and winding road. Well, it's long and it's winding. Wouldn't be so bad if the roads were a lot clearer and the visibility was better. Never know what's coming around the corner, whether they're on your side or what. As you can see, nice farmland as far as the eye can see. Other than that, you can't see crap. Guys, come on up here in central New York. It's a great place to live.
Right onto Route 26.
Yeah, as my GPS is telling me I got turn right coming up here. I can't see where, but apparently it's a crooked road coming up. And who knows? Look at that sign, crooked. Look at the road, going up in a hill. Can't tell where I'm going.
In 0.2 miles, turn right onto
2
Route
miles.
26.
Like I said, people are speeding, and I'm just doing lower than the speed limit. As you can see, these winding roads are like a pain in the ass. Look at this. Whoa, look at that. Thank God it's a stop sign.
Turn right onto Route 26.
God, I love this snow here. Ugh. Can't see in front of me. And now my road, my wheels are turning. Well, folks, that's the end of my tour here. Gotta go. Bye. Love you all.